Alright guys, here it is. It's coming down. You can see that's over there. You can, sorry, it's kind of fogging up. That's the medical center over there where Reliance Stadium is and all that. You can see that lightning coming in. That's downtown over there. And the bayou hasn't flooded crazy yet, but it's going to be really bad coming in tonight, so it's gonna be crazy. All right, good morning guys, it's Brian from Jim McCoy, and it is Sunday right now guys, August 27th, and it's rained pretty much all last night here in Houston during the Mayweather and McGregor fight, and just terrible storms, you saw it. And so, hold on a second. And so, just let me show, so y'all saw again what the bayou looked like. Look at it now guys. Completely everything is completely just gone underneath. All of it, even where you're driving right there, is just underwater. Where those stoplights are at, I mean, just complete, just drenched, submerged. Everything just submerged. It's crazy. I can't even believe this right now. I've never seen it like this. This is bad. This is very, very bad. I mean, clearly we're not gonna be able to go anywhere. There's a person right there that is not gonna be able to drive. No chance. And so, this is crazy. This is how much rain we got here. I mean, that apartment complex looks like it's completely just under over there too on the first floor. It's just crazy.
Hey man, where do we go to drop off supplies at?
So, okay, I've literally just been told that they're actually overflowing with donations. So
oh, really?
Thank you for coming, but if you guys can safely get to any smaller shelters, I know that those are like in desperate need.
Okay, where's the nearest one? Like,
I don't know. I'm gonna try to find out so that I can start telling people, but off the top of my head, I don't know just yet. I know that there's a lot of information online.
Okay.
So Georgia Brown does not need any more donations
at right this time. I'm sure that's gonna change probably in like another 10 minutes, but just like right now, no.
Okay.
I mean, you can try to go around back, but I think that they're trying to turn people away right now.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, there's just a ton of people showing up, which is awesome.
Yeah, I know. Okay, all right. Thanks for the info, man. I appreciate it.
All right, good morning guys, it's Brian from Jim Coy, and it is Tuesday, guys. I believe it's Tuesday, I'm sorry, Wednesday, August 30th. And just wanted to give you another update here in Houston, exactly what's going on. I guess you can tell from the look on my shirt and how it's going to my eyes, the sun is out, guys, so turn the camera around. So it is absolutely awesome to see the sun out. Finally, you can see downtown clearly from here. You can see that street right there is not flooded anymore. The bayou is back where it belongs, except there is some park, a little bit of park down there that we're still covering, but at least it's in its kind of banked area where it should be. Allen Parkway down there has opened up again, so it's able to drive. Remember the street right here, guys, where there was cars parked in there blocking off people? That street is now opened back up. And so that is a very awesome sign. That field over there no longer has water. And it's just an amazing feeling, guys, to know that, you know, the sun is out and the water is still present, but you know it's contained in those areas right there. That area, Allen Park, where it dips underneath, is still underwater, unfortunately, but hopefully that will get out pretty quickly. So other than that, guys, I mean, things are looking bright here in Houston. It feels good. There's still a lot of people who lost their houses and everything, but you know, Bree and I have done our part, and we're probably gonna go out again today to really help out people as much as we can to get them, lift them up and pick them back on their feet, guys. I set a goal of $500 for Red Cross donations. I posted on my Facebook account. It's exceeded that. I believe I'm at like 670 now, so which is amazing. I mean, you know, if I can get to $1,000, that'd be great. It's $500 more of my goal, and you know, just it's amazing, guys. Every little bit helps, you know. And shout out to JJ Watts, all the celebrities out there who are really putting forth the effort to help people here, the Houstonians here in Houston and all other surrounding areas of Texas and in Houston. And it's just like, you know, it feels good, guys, to know that everybody here has came together and just picked each other up. No matter all the politics, the racism remarks, everything, dude, we put that aside because this is what's all about. Helping people when you're in dire straits, guys. When you really need it the most, we're there for you. And to everybody who's came in from Louisiana, New York, California, Virginia, Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, all southern, just all over the United States, guys, who've came up with boats, with trucks, with things to help people get out of high water. I mean, just anything that was possible, guys, y'all made it happen, and it just feels so good. And it's grateful. I mean, I love my city so much, guys, and I would do anything for this place. And so I'm happy that other people feel the same way, because it's truly has felt amazing of what's going on here. And much love to everybody who's helped out, guys. I mean, it feels awesome. So, you know, just thanks again to everybody, especially the National Guard and Coast Guards that have been out here too. And it's just been awesome, guys. And we love you, Houston. We love you, Texas. And we love you, everybody who's been watching, who's cared, and who's actually gave a damn and tried to help out as much as they could in any way possible. So thank you guys so much. We really appreciate you.